It is a beautiful day here. Right now it's 72 and it's supposed to go up to 76. So I'm sitting inside my truck. I was supposed to wash it the other day and didn't get a chance to. So today's the day. It's going to get washed, it's going to get cleaned out because I am taking a quick trip to Florida. It's my son's birthday. Happy birthday. And I need to get my hair done. It's way past due. And I'm going to visit family because I really do miss them. But there is Alabama clay and dust all over this vehicle, and I can't go to Florida looking like I've been on a farm. So, got to get this cleaned up. I'm also going to give Justice a bath, and I have one project that I want to get done before I leave. Eleanor, my mother-in-law, has some hostas growing in her garden. They haven't started coming up yet, but as soon as they do, the chickens will be all over them. So I'm going to try to build some sort of barrier to keep them out of there. Good afternoon, I'm Kathleen Pate, and this is my Alabama farm life. I've spent a lot of time on the interior of the truck. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of dish soap, suds it up, and wash the outside of the truck. The tires and rims are really dirty. There is red Alabama clay stuck to everything underneath this truck. I have not cleaned the hood completely or done the roof, but that's a little bit more detail that I want to do. Plus, I'd have to pull out a ladder, and I'm just not up for that today. I still have a lot to do today. I think I've gotten the biggest part of the mud off of the truck, and the last thing that I have to do now is put in my floor mats. Well, she's not perfect, but she's a lot cleaner than what she used to be. And now it's way past time to wash the dog. Justice doesn't care for the water part, but she loves the drying off part. She hates her baths, but it really has to be done. Nothing like a happy, clean dog. She's a good girl. Until she rolls in something again. You gonna run around the house again? Huh? You gonna run around the house again? Nope, time to go in. Behind this camellia bush is a garden secret. Hosta is supposed to be growing here. This area is normally filled with that beautiful little plant and flower. I'm gonna see if I can fix that today. I'm gonna take this galvanized wire, I'm gonna make hoops, and then I'm gonna drape the garden netting over it and see if that'll keep the chickens out of the hosta. Cutting the galvanized wire was a lot harder than I anticipated. I had to go back twice to find better wire cutters, but neither one of them turned out to be very sharp. I'm going to have to invest in a new pair. What I'm doing here is I'm bunching up the garden netting, and I'm going to use the rubber band, wrap around a couple of times and make it into like a little knot. I'm doing the same thing here. I've bunched up the net and using the rubber band to build a little knot. I'm going to call this the first rough draft. It should keep the hens out of the hosta until I can get back next week and make a more permanent structure to protect them from the hens. Good morning and happy Wednesday. It's a rainy Wednesday, but still Wednesday. I want to go ahead and announce my 400 comment subscriber. Congratulations to Cynthia's Crafts and More. Congratulations, Cynthia. Thanks for playing. Mary's Ranch and Wild Cooking. She was the winner of my live premiere, live chat giveaway, and also a big congratulations to her. So that was 2 gift cards for $25 that I gave away, and here they are, and they're ready for the mail. I'm going to get them in the mail first thing in the morning. So guys, again, congratulations and thank you for participating and all the support that you've given me. You just don't know how much I've appreciated it. I'm up to 424 subscribers. I'm hoping that I'm going to reach 500 very quickly, and when I do, I'm going to give away a $50 gift card and 2 $25 gift cards. So stick around. I hope to be there real soon. As you can hear, it's raining. I want to thank all my subscribers, new and old, and participating in my channel and supporting me. Thank you guys. Thank you so very much. And you have a great day.